Welcome and thank you for your interest in STELLA. In this video, we will be going over some of the basics of the STELLA 1.1 spectrometer inspired by Landsat. Collecting data with STELLA. Prepare for data collection. Before getting started collecting STELLA data, ensure the device is charged and that the time is set correctly, and gather any other necessary materials such as a notebook and a camera. Insert the micro SD card. Insert the micro SD card into the back of the device and press down gently until you hear a click. Power the STELLA on. Press and release the power button. The display will show a welcome screen while the system is booting up. When the device is ready to use, the instrument table will appear. Choose your data collection sampling. Select your desired data sampling mode by pressing the corresponding colored circle on the touchscreen. To take a sample measurement, press the push button to take a measurement. The red light will flash when a data point is recorded. The number of samples collected will depend on what mode you have selected. Single mode, or yellow, will collect a single sample per batch each time the push button is pressed. Continuous mode, blue, will collect continuous samples at 1-second intervals. The red light will flash continuously while collecting samples. Press the push button again to stop sample collection. Average mode, green, will collect 20 samples over a duration of about 10 seconds and record the average. The red light will flash and the screen will display a countdown as each sample is collected. Note: the red light will flash when a data point is recorded and your measurement will display on the touchscreen. If the red light stays on, the SD card is either corrupt or inserted incorrectly. Note at the base of your STELLA, you'll have a universal mount for a tripod. You'll also have a hole for a 1/2-inch dowel rod. You can use that dowel rod to extend the reach of your STELLA instrument. To maximize the quality and consistency of data collected in the field, it is important to remember a few key points. Keep the device steady during data collection. If the STELLA moves while the device is collecting data, delete the bad data and retake the measurement. STELLA data should be collected under stable lighting conditions. Avoid clouds and shadows, which can cause changes in incoming solar radiation. Full sun conditions, typically between 10 a.m. and 2 p.m., are ideal. Be sure to write down important observations for each measurement, such as distance and angle between the sensor and the target, light conditions, location, latitude/longitude, and any additional useful information. Taking photos of the target and setup is also good practice. When taking measurements, it is best to practice to sandwich each observation between a reference collection. More information about this and other best practices can be found at the STELLA Technical Details on the website. Thank you for using the Landsat-inspired STELLA 1.1 to gain a better understanding of instrumentation and help understand the world around you. You can find more information about remote sensing, Landsat, and STELLA at landsat.gsfc.nasa.gov.